Tired of manually creating the same tasks over and over again in Asana? This video will show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana, saving you time and boosting your productivity. First, open the Asana project where you want to create the recurring task. Now, click on the task you want to make recurring. If it's a brand new task, go ahead and create it first, then click on it. This will open the task details pane on the right side of your screen. Look for the due date field. It might just say set due date. If it's a new task, click on it. A calendar will pop up at the bottom of the calendar. You'll see the word repeat. Click on repeat. Now you have several options for the frequency of your recurring task: daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For a weekly reminder, click weekly. If you chose weekly, you can select the specific days of the week you want the task to recur. For example, every Monday. The custom option is great for tasks with more complex schedules. Here you can set specific intervals like every other week, the last day of the month, or even specific days of the year. And that's it. Asana will now automatically create this task at the interval you specified. You'll see a little repeat icon next to the task name, confirming it's a recurring task. Now go and automate those repetitive tasks and reclaim your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.